Unang hapon.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hi, I'm Dulce, your Asia's power singing diva. From my Dulce Amor days to where I am now mentoring aspiring singers, I feel proud bringing honor to our country. At my age, I make sure I live fit and healthy with proper diet, exercise, and MX3 every day. MX3 is one of my instruments to complete the powerful rhythm and harmony of my musicality.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Kapag nagkakaedad na, mas importante ang proper lifestyle.
Jogging tayo pa!
Sige nak! Maliwanag ang benepisyo ng tamang pagkain at ehersisyo. Isama pa ang pag-inom ng Optin. May nutrients ng lutein, vitamin C, E at zinc. Parte na ng aking daily regimen.
Ganda talaga ng view dito pa.
Kitang-kita. Mahalagang paalala, ang Optin ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Labanan ang maagang panlalabo ng paningin sa tulong ng Optin. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan. Mabibili sa mga leading drugstores nationwide.
Sunfall Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Ako si Fiona, isang high school teacher. Sobrang stress lagi ako sa klase. Pero nang sinubukan ko ang Sunfall Vitamin C, naging ganado ako sa pagtuturo at nagkaroon pa ako ng time sa aking anak.
Sunfall Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C. Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
Ang galing! Pangmatagalan!
Parang tayo lang, Han, no? Everest Appliances.
Babe, ano ever best decision mo in life?
Siyempre, building a home with you. Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Ever best from Everest.
Goodbye to me, masya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, masya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Huwag kayong magmukhang pera at masiyahan na kayo sa anumang nasa inyo. Sapagkat sinabi ng Diyos, hindi kita iiwan, ni pababayaan man. Mga Hebreo, Kabanata 13, Talata 5.
Ang mabuting balita ay hatid sa inyo ng MX3.
65 radio stations nationwide. Mahigit 2,000 radio anchors, commentators, reporters at correspondents nationwide. Hatid naming mga balitang tatak, RMN, balitang pinagkakatiwalaan, mapapakinggan saan mang sulok ng bansa, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao mula sa Radio Mindanao Network. Ang totoong nationwide network. Number 1. Basta balita, komentaryo, serbisyo publiko, tatak, DCXL News. DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.